So guys, first you have to come to gigabyte.com. See, this is the website gigabyte.com, and then you can see here search button. Then enter your model number of your motherboard, then hit enter. Then click to product, then click to title of motherboard. Support. Then select operating system, which is Windows 10 and 11. LAN driver. So click to download LAN driver of then guys click this is LAN driver, double click and just open the exe file. Then click to yes. So it will take some time. It automatically close it, means this is installed. So it is close, so means install.